Today's story is not just about wealth, it's not just about business, it's not just about oil, gas, hotels, or mega projects. Today's story is about vision, resilience, faith, and the power of Nigerian enterprise. It is the story of a man who started with nothing but belief. A man who rose from humble beginnings, a man whose name today is spoken in boardrooms, universities, churches, and communities across Nigeria. This is the story of Dr. Stanley Ifeanyi Uzochukwu, founder and chairman of Stanel Group. Stanley Ifeanyi Uzochukwu was born in Calabar, Cross River State, into the family of Mr. and Mrs. Bartholomew Uzochukwu. Though born in Calabar, his ancestral roots trace back to Nnewi South local government area of Anambra State, a town famously known for its entrepreneurial spirit. Nnewi is not just a town, it's a business culture, a place where trade is inherited, innovation is encouraged, and resilience is a way of life. But Stanley's journey was not paved with silver spoons. Stanley spent much of his early life in Jos Plateau State, a city that shaped his worldview. He attended Calvary Science School, St. Murumba College, Emmanuel International College. These formative years taught him discipline, adaptability, and the value of education. He later gained admission into the University of Jos, where he studied botany and earned a bachelor's degree. Now pause here. Botany is not oil and gas. Botany is not hospitality. Botany is not FMCG. But what it gave him was something far more important: analytic thinking, systems understanding, and problem-solving skills. And those skills would later become the backbone of his business empire. After graduation, Stanley faced the same reality millions of Nigerian graduates face: limited job opportunities, economic uncertainty, the pressure to survive. But instead of waiting for opportunities, he created one. Driven by passion for business, Stanley ventured into diesel and petroleum supply, supplying fuel to corporate organizations. This phase of his life was not glamorous. It involved long road trips, financial risk, sleepless nights, building trust from scratch. But slowly, consistently, the business grew. In 2012, that small diesel supply operation was formalized. Stanel Oil was officially registered. This marked the birth of what would later become Stanel Group, a diversified Nigerian conglomerate with interest in oil and gas, retail distribution, FMCG, hospitality, energy, and real estate.
Welcome to the Stanel world, the new chapter. A place for everyone, from Stanel Mart, international and local products, Stanel Bakery, rich varieties of pastries and bread, Stanel Fast Food, SFF, rich menu of homemade meals. Behold, Operice Restaurant, such a getaway. For all your events, wedding, business meeting, or any occasion, we have Stanel Dome, up to 5,000 seating capacity. And of course, the coming 2 movie theater, 70 seat capacity and 80 seating capacity. Stanel gas station, strong fleet of trucks ready to serve you. For Fashion District, we have Kumbi Lagos, Ojoku, and Stanel Best. For all your laundry and dry cleaning service, Stanel Clean. And yes, we did not leave your kids behind in our amazing playground. This is the new Stanel World Awka. Welcome home.
From the beginning, Stanley made one thing clear: we will not just sell products, we will build systems. One of the boldest moves in Stanel Group's history came in Awka, Anambra State. Here, Stanley unveiled Stanel World, a one-stop luxury mega center. This was not just a fuel station, it was a business ecosystem. Facilities included ultra-modern mega gas plant of 1.5 million liters capacity, automated car maintenance center, supermarket, pharmacy, French bakery, farmers market, event center, laundry services, warehouse, staff quarters, UBA ATM gallery, customer service center, a 1,000-seater chapel. Nigeria had never seen anything like this before. In 2017, Stanel Group announced something remarkable. Over 700 Nigerian youths would be employed through the Awka mega gas plant alone. This was not political talk, these were real jobs. Stanley believed economic empowerment was the most powerful form of philanthropy. Stanley took another bold step, launching Stanel branded products including Stanel tires, Stanel engine oil, Stanel gas cylinders. His message was clear: Nigeria will only grow when Nigerians patronize Nigerian products. This philosophy placed him among business leaders pushing economic nationalism. Stanel Group expanded operations to Jos Plateau State, Suleja, Niger State, Awka, Anambra State, Lagos, which involves distribution and hospitality, planned expansions in Benue State. At the center of this expansion was a belief: business must serve people, not just profit. Stanley diversified further into FMCG with Stanel Bread, supplying households and retailers across Nigeria. These moves strengthened local food production and supply chains. In Lagos, Stanley made another bold move. He acquired and developed Delborough Hotel Lagos, a luxury hospitality brand compared to international standards, and the goal: to prove Nigerian hospitality can compete globally.
Hello, very distinguished guests. I'm very happy and very excited today because the Delborough is two. Over a decade ago, 2014, when we were privileged to have General Arobofa represent the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. We're privileged to have Pastor Dr. Paul Enenche, my father in the Lord, and my mentor, Cosmos Maduka. After the commissioning, I took them to the aircraft and I was getting into the plane, and Dr. Cosmos Maduka asked me, he said, "Where are you going to?" And I said to him, I was joining them to Abuja, and he said to me, "Go back. Every business is like a new baby." He said, "Stanel Group, it's a new baby. You need to sit back and watch it grow and nurture it." It was a lesson to me. The Delborough is just 2 years old. A 2-year-old baby cannot even speak. I'm very excited and want to use this opportunity to thank everyone that has been part of this vision. From the governor of Lagos State, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. I remember many times he's picked up his phone to call to make sure we're fine and okay. And to our very esteemed guests, we wouldn't have done this without you. Thank you so much. And our very able board of directors led by the Obi of Onitsha, Abogidi. Thank you so much for believing in us. One of the days I had a meeting with my mentor, Dr. Cosmos Maduka, and I was thanking him for the privilege of access. And I said to him that the best thing a mentor would do for you is to give you access and endorse his credibility on you. And that is what the board has done for us, and all of you. I want to use this opportunity to thank all the world leaders, President Mahama and all the presidents that have come in here and have invested their credibility on us. I want to say a very big thank you to you. Of course, I want to thank our staff. If you go through our reviews, you will notice most of the reviews you'll see there, it's about the staff, well-trained staff. We wouldn't have done this without you. I want to say a very big thank you to you. Our vision is to build an African brand that will stand toe-to-toe with the A-rated brands. Our vision is to export hospitality, to build an African brand that we are all going to be proud of.
Stanley's influence extended beyond business. He was appointed Member Governing Council of Igbo University in June 2021 and a board member in Unizik Business School, October 2021. These roles reflect his commitment to mentorship and knowledge transfer. Stanley Uzochukwu is known for consistent humanitarian work, supporting widows, assisting IDPs, helping orphans, empowering the physically challenged, supporting prison inmates. During the 2017 Awka inauguration, over 1,000 widows were empowered with cash and materials. This was not PR, it was purpose. Perhaps one of the most symbolic structures at Stanel World is the 1,000 capacity chapel. It reflects Stanley's belief that faith and business are not enemies. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu described Stanley Uzochukwu as a Nigerian role model, not because of wealth alone, but because of impact. Stanley Uzochukwu represents Nigerian resilience, indigenous enterprise, job creation, faith-driven leadership, economic patriotism, long-term vision. His story proves that you can start small and build big. You can stay Nigerian and succeed globally. You can also make profits and still have purpose. This is not just a success story, it is a blueprint, a reminder that Nigeria's future will not be built only by government, but by visionary citizens who dare to dream, build, and give back. This is the story of Dr. Stanley Ifeanyi Uzochukwu, and this is Update People TV.